Mseleku, also known as MaKhumalo, took to her Instagram page to declare her undying love for her husband Musa Mseleku. Following their Umembeso ceremony, which was held last year, the reality TV star said marrying her husband was one of the best decisions she made. She said that despite all the drama that comes with being part of a polygamous marriage, she doesn't regret marrying Mseleku. MaKhumalo is in love and can't hide it. She shared stunning pictures alongside her husband and said, "What's really failed me when it comes to you? Marrying you and choosing you to spend the rest of my life with was the best decision I've ever made. You are my refuge, my comfort, my best friend, my mentor, my cheerleader, and my happiness." Uma nganikezwa elinye ithuba lwandle ngingakukhetha again and million times again. Uyimadoda amaningi uwedwa mthombeni wami. By choosing you, I chose happiness for life. Waze wangiphatha kahle myeni wami. Thank you for loving me effortlessly and for standing by me. Ngiyabonga ngeqiniso olenza empilweni yami daily. Lastly, thank you ngokuhlonipha umndeni wami ngakho konke okwenzile ngosuku lwethu. Ngiyabonga lwandle lwami. Many of MaKhumalo's followers on Instagram said they admired how she loves and respects her husband. Others congratulated her on her Umembeso ceremony. One person commented and said, "Love is a beautiful thing, Hleng." Another one said, "I love you so much. You look like a queen and your king next to you. Tobile, God is going to bless you because of your beautiful heart, my twin." Another one said, "Huge congratulations. You are so humble, Tobile. I admire you. God bless your marriage."